Hello, Dr. Chan. So today we're going to do some visualizations and stuff like that. So first thing I'm going to make a graph. So I'm going to let's do profit and shipping costs. And it looks like Tableau automatically wants to make it like a scatter plot, but the variables are automatically aggregated, so it's just doing one sum of profit, one sum of shipping costs. And so we can always have it not aggregate by going into analytics and unchecking this. And it looks like this. Not really too helpful, so we're going to keep it aggregated, and we're going to manipulate it by doing by adding other stuff to it. So we're going to have it where it'll make marks by color, and I'll make order priority. Have it be colored by order priority. So now there's more, low, critical, high, medium. It's all different stuff. And then also I could have it be formatted by shape, and I'm gonna use category for that. So category, have it done by shape. So now I know, now there's more fields, or more like marks in the graph. I'll show you. And right here is the legend. And I can add market in here. And now it's broken down by market too. So this is more useful than just having the regular, just aggregated continuous variables right here. Add a dimension. I can also do, if I want, I could do control click and hit a whole bunch of stuff and go show me, and it'll recommend, it'll show the graphs I could make with the variables I selected, but also it'll recommend like the best practice graph. So whatever random variables I just clicked on right here, seems like a discrete line graph is the best. So that's another cool feature Tableau can do. Oh, it's computing the layout. I guess we could see how it looks, even though it's random, if it doesn't take too long. Oh yeah, whatever I clicked on was weird. Okay, I cleared the sheet, and now I'm going to work on hierarchies. I'm going to create a hierarchy, which the benefit is I can make a drill down effect when I make visualizations. So I'm going to make a hierarchy. I'm going to put a subcategory on category. And I'm going to name it products. And I'm going to put product name there too. And there we go. So now I could go ahead and just drag this into the rows. Just make a region, a column, and sum of profit. Or I guess profit. Don't make a sum. And then I could, let's see. Let's keep this one. I want region up top though. And now I could drill it down even more. So I come here and hit the plus, and then it will do subcategory. I can hit plus and do product name, which does make sense. If I want to collapse it, I just hit the minus, and then hit the minus again. Oh, hit plus, and hit the minus over here again, and it'll stay category. So that's pretty cool. Using hierarchy to drill down and be very specific with the visuals. If I wanted to use like a field that's in the hierarchy, but I didn't want it to be a part of the hierarchy, I go with right click and hit duplicate, and it's a copy that's not within the hierarchy. So then I will use this, and it won't have a drill down type of option. It'll just be its own field like it was before the hierarchy was created. Region has its own hierarchy too. Region, country, state. It just keeps on going. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay. All I did was change the graph, but now if I wanted to sort, I could come here and sort down here, the axes. It'll do ascending, descending, and whatever default I had before. And then right here for this axis, I could sort alphabetically, either ascending or descending alphabetically. And I could also sort up top right here, this top menu, sort by descending profit, sort by ascending profit. So very fast ways to be able to sort graphs the way you want. And also if I want to group, say like I just want to group all these African countries together, or I want to group Southeastern Africa with Eastern Africa, say they're like the same thing. I just got, what I gotta do? I got control click on both. And then the tooltip will have this paperclip icon that I can click on and group them together. So now they're East Africa and Southeast Africa is together. And then I could also group, or I could change the name. If I right click, and the alias, it'll just be, let's call it all of East Africa, I don't know. But yeah, I could change his name when I group it. And then I could also create a group within over here in the fields. It'll be fine and put it out there, so in that region. I can right click. I go to group by, no. Create, I go create group. Then here I could control click and put all the groups I want. So if I wanted to, does it make sense with this because it's already how it should be. I could all group them into one beforehand and then change the name. It's here, region group 1. Yeah. So yeah, there's just a couple ways I could manipulate some of the data, create visuals I like, make the visuals more useful, more specific. So, thank you.